Thinking about starting a business and wondering how to form an LLC? In this video, we'll walk through the basic steps in plain English. First, a quick note. This video is for general information only. It is not legal or tax advice. Laws change and every situation is different. Always talk with a qualified attorney or tax professional about your specific plans. So, what is an LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that can help separate your personal assets from your business debts and lawsuits. In many cases, if the business is sued, your personal car, home, and savings are better protected. It can also offer flexible tax options. Step 1. Choose where to form your LLC. Most small business owners form an LLC in the state where they actually do business. Some states have higher fees or extra rules, so it's worth checking your state's requirements or speaking with a professional. Step 2. Pick a name. Your name usually must include something like LLC or Limited Liability Company. It also has to be different from other businesses in your state. You can search your state's business database to see if the name is available. Step 3. Choose a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or company with a physical address in the state who can receive legal and official documents for your LLC. This can be you in some states or a professional service. Step 4. File your formation documents. These are often called articles of organization. You submit them to the state and pay a filing fee. Once approved, your LLC is officially formed. Step 5. Create an operating agreement. Even if your state doesn't require it, this document is important. It explains who owns the LLC, how profits are shared, and how decisions are made. It can help prevent conflicts later. Step 6. Get an EIN from the IRS. This is a federal tax ID number. You'll usually need it to open a business bank account and to handle payroll if you have employees. Finally, keep your LLC in good standing. Follow your state's rules. File annual reports if required. Pay any annual fees, and keep your personal and business finances separate. If you found this helpful and want to create your own simple animated explainer videos, check out vidfactory.ai. You can turn your ideas into clear, professional videos quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and remember, before you make legal or tax decisions, always consult a qualified professional.